let's face it, these days, your business needs more from its network. More speed, more capacity, and absolutely no lag. Meet the next generation of wireless, the Cisco Wireless CW9171 and the 9174 Wi-Fi 7 access points. These are more than just upgrades. They're total game changers for your business. Picture this: blazing fast speeds while connecting, meaning lightning-quick downloads, smooth video streaming, and massive file transfers in seconds, even during your busiest hours. And it gets better. With ultra-low latency, your real-time applications stay smooth and responsive. Whether you're running an AR/VR experience, crystal-clear video calls, online gaming, or critical IoT apps, our multi-link operation keeps things moving, so you never miss a beat. Worried about crowded spaces? Don't be. These access points handle more devices at once without sacrificing performance in a sleek, compact design. The CW9174 series has multiple external antenna options, so you can mount and connect to anything, anywhere, for a customizable design. We know security and simplicity matter too. With enterprise-grade security, your network is protected from the latest threats like rogue access points and credential theft, keeping your data safe. Managing wireless is a breeze. With these APs, integrate seamlessly with either cloud or on-premises management with our Wi-Fi 7 global use access points. Power your AP with either flexible power over Ethernet, PoE, or the AC/DC power jack option, making it even easier to install and onboard. Plus, with intelligent RF optimization and built-in Bluetooth radio, you get precise location services and asset tracking. No matter your industry, this is wireless tech that transforms how you work. From retailers to healthcare to small offices. With the CW9171 and the 9174, your network is future-proofed and ready to handle whatever comes next. Explore the full lineup today at cisco.com/go/Wi-Fi 7.